Hey, it's back to school season. If you're going to universities in downtown Toronto and you want to be in walking distance to your school, yet have every facilities at your doorsteps, but you want to live in a brand new condo which has never been lived before with a budget under 750K, do you still have any good choice? Hi, this is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm bringing you one fantastic choice of condo assignment, which just dropped price for 40,000. Let's first take a look at its location. Okay, this is where we are at. We are at Jarvis and Dundas. The highlight of this location is very close to Ryerson University. And if you ride a bicycle, it's just going to be 2-3 minutes. And if you walk, it's going to be 5 to 6 minutes. But it's not just close to Ryerson. If you go to OCAD with bicycle, it's going to be like 7-8 minutes. Even if you go to University of Toronto, it's just slightly about 10 minutes. It's not just great for going to school. If you like very vibrant city life, this place is very close to Dundas Square. You know, Dundas Square is our version of Times Square, and they have so many festivals in a year. I'm sure you will enjoy the life there. So all the other facilities, shops are nearby, and Eaton Centre is also just walking distance. That's how wonderful this location is. But not just that. Let's take a look at the property itself. This is a condo assignment. The occupancy fee is very close. September 3rd is announced to be its final occupancy date. So you almost can just right away move in when the school restarts. 728,000. This price is so wonderful. Not only it just dropped from its original 768,000, but it's also cheaper than even the developer's own closeout. Later, we'll take a look at that. Let's first take a look at the building itself. This one is called Eaton Condo. It's a project from one of the biggest and greatest developer, Menkes. So if you know Menkes, Menkes has launched so many world-class projects. Its quality is always the top notch. So you can see from the facility, the renovation style, the design, it's all top notch and premium. Okay, and it's very, also they know this is their highlight. They're so close to Dundas Square, and you can listen to the city heartbeat. All right. About this unit itself, it's a 2-bedroom, 1 washroom. When you look at it, it's almost a square. There's no almost any space based on purely corridor. All the bedrooms or the living room, they're all very square. There's no strange shape. You can almost make good use of every inch. It's very functional layout. Another thing I like about this unit is it's also a corner unit, so you have windows from both sides. You must have lots of natural light coming. When you live in downtown, the density is so high with lights, with views from both sides. This will absolutely uplift your mood. All right. So last, as I promised, I want to let you know how great this price is. So this is MLS. So this is a centralized database from Toronto Real Estate Board. You all know that condo assignment, you cannot put on MLS most of the time, except from the developer itself. So right now, under 2-bedroom, there are 2 listings directly from the developer. So they're both 1+1. Smaller than ours. Let's take a look at the relatively bigger one. So this one, they are calling for, you can see here, 840,000, right? So it's just 1+1 versus ours is 2-bedroom from before. Our square footage was 619, but this one is only 500 to 599. Although we don't know the specific one, but we know ours is bigger. So you see how big the price gap is. Of course, this one does have 1 parking. You can see here it has 1 parking. And we know in downtown Toronto, parking, let's say it's worth 80,000. Even if we remove 80K, the worth of parking, it would come down to 760,000. And we are only calling for 728,000. So we are like 30,000 cheaper. Plus, don't forget, ours is bigger, right? So that's why I always say ours is quite value for money. All right, finally, let's take a look at the summary of this unit. So we are at the Jarvis and Dundas intersection, only 5 minutes, 6 minutes walking distance to Ryerson University and all the other facilities next to us. The price is 728,000. We just dropped 40,000 from the original price, and we also beat the developer's own closeout units. So don't miss this golden opportunity. If you like this property, talk to me right away so we can lock this property for you. But if this is not a good fit for you, don't worry. I can cater the property search for you. So you will receive daily updates of all the fit properties, including those great value off-market ones. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.